friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm talking about herbal tinctures. This is something that we've really gotten into this year. I'm really excited to have another way to use herbs and plants to support our bodies and just different things that are going on without side effects, right? That's the biggest thing. My disclaimer is there is a time and place for medicine and for doctors and for going in when something is wrong, but our first route is going herbs and plants and what can we do to support our bodies? What is the root cause of what we're feeling? So that's just how we go about things. I woke up with a sore throat this morning, so I took a couple of my supplements. I have a throat spray. I have a couple of tinctures that are going to support my body, and that is the route we go. And if it gets bad enough where we need to go in, we can go in. Antibiotics and going into the doctor's office is our last choice. So first I'll talk about what tinctures are, then how to use them, and then I have two different brands here that we've been using this season that I'll just share, and that I think will be it. And if you've used tinctures for a while, let me know what your favorite ones are in the comments below, because like I said, we have two different brands, but I know there's so many good ones. I want to stock our wellness cabinet with everything that we need. So tinctures are different from essential oils in that tinctures are either glycerin or alcohol, and an herb is infused into either one of those. Want to check before using them if you have any sensitivities or pregnancy or what else, breastfeeding. I think all of the safety information is on their website and on each bottle. So read the bottle before you use. They're all different because all herbs are different and different potencies, and then obviously their base, whether it's alcohol or glycerin. So this is for adults only, keep out of reach of children and not recommended for pregnant or nursing women. So that's just a little safety info. The oil is infused in glycerin or alcohol, and they're all different. So read your labels. The dosage will be on the labels as well. So whether you're using 5 or 20 drops, it'll tell you on the bottle. And also with natural things like this, like you take 2 tablets or you take 2 Tylenols, it's going to work for 8 hours. Where natural remedies like this, you might have to take them more often. And that's okay because we're not getting the side effects from taking Tylenol every single time you get some sort of physical discomfort. So those are just the 4 about tinctures, what they are, how to use them. And I'll just share the ones that we have. So plant therapies, all of the ones that we have are alcohol based. So they're going to be a little bit more potent. They're going to preserve a little bit longer just because of the alcohol content. The ones that I have are all single herbs, where on their website they have a couple of blends, but the ones that I have are single. So first I have elderberry. I'll just share, I have elderberry and echinacea. I got these 2 for immune support. They're both going to help support your immune system. So if you do get sick, it won't be as bad and last as long. That's the goal at least. And that's what we've seen in using both of these and what the studies are on each of these herbs. But echinacea and elderberry are great for immune support. Kind of like emotional support ones that I got were ashwagandha and lemon balm. These are both really great for just kind of balance and rejuvenation. Ashwagandha, I believe, is like natural support for like sadness and mood disorders like that. And then lemon balm supports emotional wellness. I'm pretty sure this one was good for digestion also. And then I have Asian ginseng, which is good, I think, for digestion and then also for energy. So take this before you're going to the gym, or if you're just a mom of toddlers and need an energy boost. I think Asian ginseng was the old school back in the day. The huge Arizona teas, I think, had Asian ginseng in it. Let me know if you used to drink those too. And then lastly, from plant therapy, I have turmeric. And this one, I love having this type of herb on hand because it's such a multi-functioning herb. Turmeric is really great for so many different things. I think like aches and pains and joint and muscle type of aches. Also think like antioxidant, fighting free radicals, and digestion support, I think, as well. This one is great for so many things. So I love those. Equivalent of having lavender or frankincense essential oil. They're just good for so many different things that it's like your Swiss Army knife, bringing that with you wherever you go. If we travel, I will take the turmeric tincture with us. So things like that. And then next, I discovered Earthley from a friend. She got it and liked them, and so I got them. And so far, we really like them. And it just so happens like every morning that Emery has woken up since I've gotten these, she's had something going on. I don't know if it's like just anxiety, because she struggles with that sometimes, but she has like either a tummy ache or a headache, and I've been just giving her this. It's called Feel Better Fast. So the difference with these, at least the ones that I have from Earthley, they're alcohol. They are the glycerin base, so they're alcohol free and safe for kids, and the dosage is on the back of each one. and they're all a little bit different. This is the only one that I got that's alcohol based, and they do have both, so they have options, so whatever your preference is, where plant therapy doesn't have that as an option. But this one is immune biotic. Sorry, I'm jumping around, but I'll share this one first because it's the only alcohol based. But this is elderflower, astragalus root, echinacea, calendula, dandelion root, and then it's in cane derived alcohol. And so it has the ingredients, the supplement facts, so the dosage or strength, and then how to use them, how many drops to take. And this one, you want to mix in juice or water like the plant therapy ones because it will burn a bit. And then the other 4 that I have are the glycerin base, and we just drop them under our tongue, so using them sublingually. They work really fast. And again, you might have to use them every 2 to 4 hours, whereas Tylenol will obviously last longer, but there's a reason. So I have pain potion. This one is for headaches or any type of pain. This one is the glycerin, and it has meadowsweet, dandelion root, mullein leaf, turmeric, and peppermint leaf. So this one's alcohol-free herbal supplement. Relieve pain naturally, including headaches and nerve pain. Vita C, so this one is going to be immune support. It's glycerin, filtered water, amla berries, dandelion leaf, and orange peels. So fighting free radicals, helping support your immune system. Natural vitamin C complex with other vitamins and minerals. And then I got Cough Be Gone. We haven't had to use this yet, but I like to just have my wellness cabinet stocked with every type of different thing because we will struggle with this eventually. And it's usually around Thanksgiving or in between Thanksgiving and Christmas when Emery gets her 2-week cough. I feel like it's every year. But this one is for the relief of occasional coughs and sore throats. So obviously, if you're dying of a really horsey, bad sounding cough, go to the doctor, but this is going to be for mild or catching things really early. This is glycerin, water, fenugreek, mullein leaf, and dandelion root. And then, so just for reference, ages 6 months to 6 years, 5 to 10 drops. Let me see if it's the same for all of these. 6 months. So for the ones that I have, but again, just read, oh, this one's not 6 months. This is ages 2 to 6. They're all different. Read every individual bottle. Just 6 to 12, 10 to 20 drops, and then 13 plus is 20 drops. So we haven't had to use that one, obviously, but the other ones that we have used, they don't taste bad. Because I know that's a struggle, especially with kids, getting them to use things that they hate or that they think taste terrible. This one is safe for ages 6 months plus, and then the dosage on here, it's Feel Better Fast. So this one provides immune support plus fever, pain, and upset tummy relief. And this is the one that Emery's been using because she seems to just have all of those. And again, it might just be anxiety, but this has been helping her. This is fennel seed, echinacea, astragalus root, elderflower, cinnamon, and then glycerin and water. So these have been really helpful, and I'm excited to have these on hand just for so many different things. And again, this is what we go to first. If things get too bad, we do go in, but having things like this without side effects that are natural and that our bodies are going to recognize and use. And herbs and plants have been used as medicine forever, and so it's just our first go-to. Let me know what you think. I will link all of these down below. I hope this was helpful. And again, if you use tinctures and have for a while, let me know your favorite brands or favorite blends or favorite herbs, singles, and I'll check them out too. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.